Hi, today I'm going to be installing openSUSE on VirtualBox. So we're going to go into the VirtualBox and we're going to create a new OS name, openSUSE. Hit next. I like giving it at least a gig of RAM, and I create a new hard disk in VirtualBox format. I go with fixed size of 16 gigs. That lets me play around with it a little bit. And create. Got a little bit of timeout here. And now I'll set up the settings. Okay, first I go to the system and I set up the boot order. I get rid of the floppy completely and set up the CD to boot first. I got a burned ISO of openSUSE. I like to give it all the cores of my processor too, make it run as fast as I can. As much video memory as possible. I just like stuff to run as slick as it can. Enable the 3D acceleration too. Alright, on storage here, I have to set up the DVD player to use my host drive. And then I go with the digital audio. And network should be fine. Serial ports, USB. I'll mess with that USB if I actually want to use one when I'm using the machine. And so now I hit start. I've already got the ISO in the DVD player, and so now it's going to start the installation process. Select installation. Can't use your mouse here, you just got to use your arrow keys and enter. Alright, pointer integration, okay. Okay, I don't ever want to see that message again. Okay. So this is the license agreement. And I just hit next. Alright, new installation. Next. New York is in my time zone, so I'm cool with that. I like the KDE desktop. I think it's pretty slick, and that's the default, so I'm going with it. Next. And partition based. Yep. Next. And I create a username and password. And I could use this password for my administrator or root password, but I'm not going to. I'm going to set it up to have a root password, same as my other Linux machines, virtual machines. Okay, so now it's setting up the installation, and we can start here in a minute. Click install. Install. Okay, I'm going to cut some time out right here. And this is the first of several reboots. Okay, this time I want to make sure I hit enter on boot from hard disk. Alright, I'll cut a lot of time out again. And another reboot. Alright, here we are on the desktop. It's got Firefox, My Computer, Office, Online Help, and openSUSE here on the desktop folder. And I'm thinking I should have installed more RAM than just 1 gig. It's kind of sluggish. Loaded up 2. Alright, so it does show you on this openSUSE page here, openSUSE software site, and here you can search for whatever software you want. I'm gonna type in games, and a bunch of KDE games pop up first, and I'll probably mess around with that a little bit later. My computer should show my system information. Yep, and there's my system information. This openSUSE is the only Linux distribution that actually, I didn't maximize it here, but it actually knows my native screen resolution even in VirtualBox. It's the only one that's ever done that. Usually they run at 800 by 600. It's got the Office suite, LibreOffice, openSUSE project page again. And now it's got a start menu down here, kind of like Windows, but it's got different tabs. And it's got several different favorites already installed there. The applications, it's got this OS is already loaded already with all the good stuff apparently. The computer, YAST up here is an important way to install some more stuff from the repositories. Type in my root password, and it's going to remember it apparently. Yeah, see, I can update or add on products, add new products, check out the different software repositories that are available to openSUSE. I can set up backup. There is different services. I can set up servers from here. Firewall settings. Very powerful tool. And really that's about it for my first tutorial on the openSUSE. And thank you for watching.